Okay, so this is the iwoly C150 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is the unboxing. Alright, so it looks like it comes with standard manual and the pieces here. So this is all the box. There's a couple more extensions here, like the brush. I believe this is the wall mount. And it comes with the screws and the anchors for the walls. This is the main piece here. It's not too small, it's not too big. And here, I believe this is the battery pack. Yeah, came with charge. Cool. And here's the vacuum base. It's a nice size. And then you have the charger, adapter charger. So yeah, these are the pieces. I'll put it together in a moment. Okay, so putting together is pretty simple. I have the little notch here, and I just plug it into the back here. See how it just lock in. And the other piece, you take it and you do the same thing. So, notching it in. Locks in. So that's nice. This is the vent area. And then the battery pack here. And this is also pretty easy. All right, and then this is the stem and the vacuum part here, and it clicks in just like the rest of it. All right, and then this is the vacuum assembled. It's not too bulky. It's nice. Also, you can see here, this is the power button. And the power speed. It's nice.
Okay, so I like this, but there's a few flaws. Number one, it does not stand up on its own, which is kind of annoying. My last one, I could just leave it standing and it would. This also does not lock into place, which is a little weird. And then when you're vacuuming, I'm not going to turn it on right now so you can hear me. It doesn't, just the top part right here swivels, but the head doesn't really swivel much. And also, there's rubber bumpers, so it gets stuck. It won't smoothly glide along underneath things, which is a little annoying also. But it has good suction on it. Underneath something or turn on a dime, this turns way more than the head of it does. But I do like that it lays completely flat like this to get underneath things. I'm keeping it and I do like it. It also has speed levels, which you can change the speed on it. So those are my issues with it. Some things that maybe the company can fix on this. But otherwise, I like it.
I didn't need it, but I wanted it. Okay, so this is the iwoly. I think that's how you say its name. Pretty easy to do. It's the stand-up vacuum pole. I think that's what they want to call it. Anyway, I'm going to put it together and show you how easy it is. This is the pieces, and they pretty much just slide in. And so I'll just show you how it slides in. Pardon my toes. It's that simple, okay? So my floors aren't really that dirty. I don't think they are. I guess it could be better, but quiet. good section. And it actually goes on, I like that it has a light on it, but it actually goes on these carpets especially. A lot of times we just pick the carpet up and try to shake it off, but I know there's dirt on there, so I'm just gonna kind of see what it's got, and you can already see it's picking up dirt. You see it spinning around? That's pretty good because I had just emptied this. So, good section, good value, very, very light, very, very light. So, if I had to rank it, just based on today, and I literally just got it today, like I said, you can see the dirt in there, very quiet, it's got the sections on. Out of a 10, I probably would give it an 8.5 out of 10 so far. I mean, it's my new little gadget. For the price, you can't beat it.
Right here, you can switch shifts. So I turn it off, and listen, you press the button, bingo. And then you press it again, and you get the pebbles, if you want to put it on high speed. You get the pebbles for the cat food. Listen to it, you hear it? They're all in here. Yes. And I'm going to tell you something spectacular. When I say spectacular, I'm telling you, when people walk in here, they have no idea I have 4 cats. Okay? You put it on low speed, you put the adapter on, and we're back in business. Put it on high speed, and it's a regular vacuum cleaner. I'm telling you, this is the amazing vac. It is amazing. Folks, this is amazing. I think every household should have the amazing vac, especially moms with messy kids. You have kids, they don't like to clean up behind themselves. The amazing vac is it. Okay? You come in here, 3 minutes, and I'm out to the bathroom. Enjoy, folks. I suggest, highly recommend it. Amazing vac.
Trying it. It is plugged. It's not working. Doesn't work.
This stick vac, easy turn on, and of course it'll do laminate very easily. It can go on a short pile of rug, fairly easy. As you can see, the head is lit. It is easily detachable. If you want to take that off, it's got a short brush and a crevice tool that comes with it, a mounting bracket, which I said we'll put in the ad. It's your canister very easily detaches to allow the dirt to go in the garbage, and of course you can put it into a handheld, half extension, full extension, and it takes about 3 hours to charge from full empty to full charge. So love this little stick vac. It's so lightweight, it's cordless, it's USB chargeable, and it's one neat little toy.
press the power, there's only flashing, no other reaction. Nothing works.
Segunda ronda, mira.